While Monell tends to focus on the chemosensory realm, there are a number of disciplines that are involved in that research, and they're mostly all represented here at Monell. Training and mentorship are maybe the most important things we can do as scientists in general, and especially at Monell. We're not going to be around forever, but our science will be, and somebody needs to take that and run with it. And we don't even know what our trainees will work on next and what tiny little bit of information that they recall from their time at Monell, how that might develop into a giant idea that changes the world. The MSAP program at Monell is a wonderful, wonderful program, and it's rewarding for both the students and the mentors. My first MSAP student is currently an osteopath practicing here in Philadelphia, and I know that she gained the confidence to enter into that career based on her summer working in my laboratory. And I can still remember that last day of the program when she was in my office crying with such emotion about having to leave because it had changed her life. It made me very proud, of course, to realize I had that sort of impact on a very young, not even a scientist yet, but on a young student, and had caused her to desire to do something in the sciences. Well, I'm proud of my own accomplishments, obviously. I believe that while maybe they're not recognized worldwide, there are a number of things minor discoveries that I made that make me feel good about myself. But the greater thing is that I didn't do them by myself. I'm very proud that I was able to bring in colleagues and undergrads and postdocs to participate in my research, and that they can also hopefully take pride in what we discovered. While Monell tends to focus on the chemosensory realm, there are a number of disciplines that are involved in that research, and they're mostly all represented here at Monell. Any research topic can benefit by being viewed through the lens of many different disciplines. And at Monell, we have the experience and knowledge that comes from many different disciplines that can all contribute in very different ways and view a problem from very different ways. The exciting aspect of that is that somebody who may have no idea about the specifics of your research may come up with this kernel bit of knowledge that changes everything. And that can only happen in a setting where people are working in fairly close proximity to each other and are very open with each other about what they're doing. And that's the kind of climate that Monell provides.